The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazon jungle, is a vast and diverse ecosystem. Covering an area of over 5.5 million square kilometers, it is home to countless species of plants and animals. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and oxygen levels. Deforestation poses a significant threat to the Amazon rainforest, leading to habitat loss and biodiversity decline. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon rainforest for centuries, preserving traditional knowledge and practices. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve the Amazon rainforest through sustainable practices and conservation initiatives. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of medicinal plants, with many potential cures waiting to be discovered. Exploring the Amazon rainforest reveals the interconnectedness of all living beings and the importance of biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is a source of inspiration and wonder, captivating all who venture into its depths. Preserving the Amazon rainforest is essential for the well-being of our planet and future generations.